Morning. It's day, I think 30 of day trading pre-market. Let's see what I got. You know what I was thinking, actually? So the market took a downturn almost at the perfect time of us starting this pre-market trading, which at this point is day 30. I just checked. So let's go to the general chart. One, two, three, four, five, six. Now let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart on the Qs. Bro, bro, bro. Watch this. I need to pop this out. How do I pop this out? I guess I can't. All right, let's try it over here then. Weekly. I think the slowdown in the market, could we not have called that from the slowdown in these small caps? It for sure happened 3 weeks ago because I've been saying about how slow the market has been, and we know how slow the market has been. We've had absolutely nothing to trade for like 3 weeks. We might have been the first people to recognize this pattern. And then the market comes down. Just some food for thought. I find that to be fascinating. But all right, news drops start. Now, gonna read my mental list real quick. List of mental errors. Limit to at least one per week this time. This is Monday. Let's not make it today. Okay, every day we're one step closer. No trading outside of scanner parameters. Not over trading and coming back for the 7 a.m. news drop because that is not a good time for me. I'm too busy. Only front side at this point. Preferably only news drops. If it's wiki, only trade pullbacks. That's what we're going for. And we're hitting the scans. Time to hit the streets. I use this momentum strategy that works fairly well for stocks. I used it for meme coins over the weekend and got wrecked. But it was fun. I enjoyed it. I can't say I didn't enjoy it. I'm fairly decent at pattern recognition, so I knew which charts would rug pull, but these rugs were happening. I was getting in within the same minute of a coin launching, and then a minute later was getting rugged. I was like, what? It's like the rug pullers were scalping. They weren't even letting it run. They were just scalping the rug pulls. It was wild work. All right, we're hitting the scans still. Nothing showing up. Nothing showing up. Nothing yet. Come on, give us something today. Give us something this week. It's going to be a choppy week probably with Thanksgiving. Okay, we're about 2 minutes in. And the Qs are at least showing up 3 points at this point. At this point in the morning, 3 minutes in. Nothing to trade yet. 3.5 minutes in. All right, it's looking like this top of the hour news drop is not going to be worth anything today. So at this point, we change our fancy hockey lineup. Oh, there's one ATON. Submit strategic offer to acquire majority stake in Forbes Media Holding. Okay. Yeah, okay, I mean, whatever. Whatever. 422. Gap between 422 and like 450. It's gonna hold 4. That's a hold of 4. Nice. My. That was a late scan, so let's keep hitting this scan. It's kind of a big space there for 1 minute to make a new high, so I don't really want to take that 1 minute to make a new high over this like 412. There's buyers 410. Small buyers, but there's 24. Oh, the break went to 40 and then right back down. Oh, 3-bar play action. ATON up 48%, 6 million shares outstanding. Alpha Ton Capital. Sounds like some frat bros decided to make a company. Let's call it Alpha Ton. But yeah, I'm down. Let's do it. You know what? In hindsight, I guess I could have taken that pop back through 4 instead of the 1 minute to make a new high. But, whatever. It's okay. Kind of a weak flag pull because of that nasty wick, but we'll try to play our cards right here. Flirting with 4. Fairly light volume on that red candle. You know what? Maybe 421. Nice. $180 trade, baby. Let's go. Didn't have my volume on, so I had to adjust. I had to turn my volume on mid-trade after I caught that entry. Alright, got a little bit of a cushion here to play with now. Right now. Small buyers, 26. Alright, get through 50. I'm not taking this 50 trade, though. I'm not going to get wicked out. Ooh, see, went to 60, back under 50. Flirting with 50, flirting with 50. We're under. Small buyers got eaten. Sellers there. Sellers there again. Where'd those sellers go? Where'd the sellers go there, boy? These 5-minute candles look like they look decent. Not great, but decent. Where are we at? 462. Alright, so we closed that gap I was talking about already. Go ahead. Break through 462. I feel like we need another decent, flagpole. This I would not consider a decent flagpole. Shoot, the best trade was still here, though. The break of 4. 4 to 450, 10%. Go. 462. Give the people what they deserve. View out 417. Could go for a nice bear trap. That would be nice. More news drops in another 16 minutes or so. See if ATON holds up. pressure on VWAP here. Nice bounce though. Is this forming any type of pattern other than this like flat top breakout on 462? It's kind of not really, nothing looking too sexy about it. What are we up? It's up 47%. MACD still positive. Selling volume not impressive, which is, I mean, that's good. Four, three, two, one, new minute. MACD starting to roll. Starting to get dangerous to trade on this at this time. I'll let it go. If it doesn't roll, it might come take out this 441 and test 462 again. But I mean, we're getting, oh, here it goes. Nope, nope, nope. Maybe. There it goes. There it goes. Oh, missed it. I missed it. I was not expecting it to happen that fast. For real. It's okay. You're right. It's okay. Alright, again, are we forming like anything here? It's still like not a sexy pattern or anything, but that inverted hammer through 441 was the spot. Unfortunately, I mean, I guess I articulated it before it happened, but I wasn't fast enough to recognize it, to articulate it and then take the trade, so oh well. MACD still green. Still green, although it looks like it's looking like it's fighting. This is our biggest selling candle we've seen so far today. Pressure. MACD is at an inflection point here. Five-minute candles still don't look terrible. I mean, it looks like it's kind of been a grinder, but Where are we at? 473. Right around the 30-day moving average for ATON. No, it's bear trap. Nope. MACD's officially rolled over. So, can the bear trap be trusted here? It's tough. Kind of. Ten seconds until a new minute. If it doesn't have it on this minute, I'm not going to be taking it. And brutal. Down it goes. All right, so, CJET. What's up with this? What's going on with these times on these news drops here? Signs deal with Edge AI Frontier Technology to buy up to $1 billion in Edge AI tokens. Okay. Okay. Oh, it won't let me trade CJET. Schwab. I feel like Schwab, this happens like once a day. This happens like once a day that Schwab just... It's like, nah, you're not going to have any fun. You're not going to have any fun on this stock. Well, that's okay, I guess. ATON is racing down to this lower band. All right. We got 7 more minutes until the next news drop. I'm back to adjusting my fantasy hockey lineup. And the Edmonton Oilers and the Dallas Stars have a game on Thanksgiving night. Let's go. Oh, no, that was Tuesday. My bad. No games Thanksgiving. Interesting candle, ATON. Your view ups at 426. Alright, we'll give it a rest here until the next possible news drop time. CJET, you gonna rip through this VWAP and go test 275? You gotta crack 250. Ten more seconds. Oh yeah, it sure did. Nice volume there. Says you wanna roll with me. One second. Back for a little bit at least. Oh, it lower band twice. Bands to make a dance. 76 to 86. We got a minute and a half. Minute and a half till next news drops. All right, let's get focused now. We got about almost 30 seconds of the next possible news drop. $20. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, news drop time. Let's see if we get anything here. I'm going to give it like 15 seconds before I smash the scan. Hitting it. Nope, nothing. Nothing yet. Nothing yet other than ATON popping back up. Small sellers at 4 there. MACD still has a ways to go. Hitting the scan again. Hitting it again. Okay, we're 2 minutes in and we got nothing so far. ATON, a little bit of Chop City, which kind of kept me on the sidelines a lot of the time, but wasn't those weren't the cleanest of moves, but definitely provided some opportunity. Three minutes in, no news. We're going to give it a few more minutes, and then we're going to call it due to our mental clarity checklist here. And of course, ATON might not be totally cooked. It could come back, but I probably won't be here for it. Got through 4 there. It's 408, 410. All right. We can maybe work with this a little bit. Oh, not if it flushes under 4, though. That's not helpful. Not helpful. Oh, I wanted that lower band so bad. Didn't quite give it to me. I guess I could have risked $50 there. That pop wasn't too sexy anyways. Would have risked $60 to make 100, so a little over 1-to-1. All right, well, 6 minutes after the half hour, no new stocks, no new news drops, no new momentum. I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. Peace. Up 179, like 180 on the day. Later.